What's the meaning of cornflour? Cornflour. Cornflour.
Cornflour. Cornflour. Cornflour refers to a fine, powdery flour made from maize, corn, kernels. The kernels are dried and ground into a fine powder, which can be used as a thickening agent for soups, stews, and sauces. When mixed with water or other liquids, cornflour forms a smooth, opaque mixture that has a neutral flavor. It is often used as a gluten-free alternative to wheat flour in baking, and can also be used to coat food before frying or baking to add a crispy texture. Overall, cornflour is a versatile and useful ingredient in many different types of cooking and cuisine.